and today I have reached the holy city Rishikesh. I am having an absolutely pleasant stay here and I am literally in awe of this place. The only reason of being in awe of this place is not the fact that Rishikesh is situated right on the banks of River Ganga, but also that I am staying in the best property of Rishikesh called the Ganga Kinare. The Ganga Kinare is a boutique riverside hotel which is literally on the banks of River Ganga. This hotel has a private ghat, has a lot of lovely activities for all of those who stay here and is absolutely top notch in terms of hospitality. It is also the home to one of the greatest restaurants of Rishikesh called Jal Jalebi, and I am having a great time here, enjoying all the meals, enjoying the lovely weather and the unobstructed views of River Ganga. I am now going to show you this entire property called Ganga Kinare. This is the meeting and the library room, and beyond this, behind me, is the reception area. So come on, I'm going to take you through a tour of the whole property. I am at Jal Jalebi, the lovely riverside restaurant at Ganga Kinare. The interiors of this place are magnificent, but the exteriors are simply out of the world because this restaurant opens right onto the River Ganga. Come, let me show you. Guys, now I am with Chef Deepak Bhatt, who is the corporate chef at Jal Jalebi and beyond at Ganga Kinare. And I'm going to ask him about his vision for this restaurant and what this place is all about. Hello, Chef.
Hi, ma'am. How are you?
I'm very well. How are you?
Also.
So tell us something about Jal Jalebi and beyond, and what is your vision for this place, and what kind of food are you doing here?
Yeah. So this is like Jal and Jalebi. That means basically we have a signature dish here which is called Jalebi.
Lovely.
That is our signature.
Yeah.
And Jal, yeah, you can see Jal is
Of
nearby.
course, of course.
Yeah. And we have multi-cuisine food like Indian, Chinese, continental. We have in-house bakery also.
Yeah.
And everything like South Indian and everything we have.
Yeah.
And recently we add one restaurant outside. Right now it's raining, so you cannot see that.
Okay.
So this is called Pot and Pori. Yeah,
Okay.
which is famous for pizzeria section and Mediterranean.
Oh, lovely.
Yeah.
Would love to try that soon, Chef.
Definitely,
I've been
definitely.
having the breakfast and lunch at Jal and Jalebi, and I must say I'm totally impressed by the quality of the food, the taste, and the variety of dishes that you're doing every day. I think it's unbelievably
Thank you,
awesome.
thank you,
It's
thank you.
great.
Thanks
Thank
a
you
lot.
so much.
Thank you.
Jal and Jalebi always has a great menu selection and so many options to choose from. All this completely vegetarian. A true delight for vegetarians like me. And not just food, they also have some great mocktails. And by the way, the entire experience is enhanced because at most meal times there is always a live performer either singing or playing an instrument. And of course, combined with the panoramic views of the mighty river Ganga, the entire experience of dining at Jal Jalebi is seriously next level.
वर्गा सब कुछ बह गया नींद मेरे बारिश वर्गा सब कुछ बह गया नींद मेरे अखां दा नूर वेख के अखां दा नूर वेख के मेरी अखियां जो हंजू रोड़ दे मेरी अखियां जो हंजू रोड़ पानी मिट्टी दी खुशबू मिट्टी दी खुशबू मिट्टी दी खुशबू आए चलिए चल मुड़िए सजना चल मुड़िए मगया चल मुड़िए
Jal and Jalebi, the lovely restaurant at Ganga Kinare, also has this sit-out area where you can enjoy your meals with a direct view of the river. Actually, every part of this resort has a view of the Ganga river flowing, and this part is the most beautiful. Here at Ganga Kinare is another lovely garden restaurant called Pot Puree. It has wood-fired pizzas and all sorts of continental fare. We aren't able to try it because of the rain, but the rain only makes it so much better because the weather is absolutely fantastic. Another one of the amazing places to hang out in Ganga Kinare. This is a deck on the first floor, and as you can see, the views from here are absolutely mesmerizing. The river that flows and the greenery beyond it. We also have an open jacuzzi over here on the deck area. Just look at this view. Imagine having a jacuzzi session here and looking out at the lovely, lovely landscape beyond. Another huge plus point of staying at Ganga Kinare Resort is that they have a private ghat which has a way right down from here and leads right up to the Ganga river. You can take a dip in the water, or you could just attend the private aarti that happens on the private ghat every day. I'm going to attend that aarti and you can attend it live on my video.
मारी मजलनी रमरया पापानि जन्मान्तराणि चातानि सर्वाणि नश्यन्तु प्रतिदिनं पदे पदे
तिलक प्रसाद
ओम यजमान तत्तिलादनकम् ओम स्वस्ताये स्वस्तिना इन्द्रो वेदागणा
हे मां परमेश्वरी
विश्ववेदा स्वस्ति नस्तारिषो मे हरदरेतानि पराशरा जदपदरं तन्न आसवा
After the divine puja, it's now time for paid puja. Back at Jalan Jalebi for a scrumptious dinner and I'm hungry. With this, day 1 at Ganga Kinare Rishikesh has come to an end. There is a lot more to show you like yoga, meditation, the rooms and a lot more yummy food. So do check out my next video. I will link it up.